In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add custom code to Squarespace step by step so you can easily embed HTML, CSS, or even Markdown into the exact part of your page where you want it. Whether you're adding a custom form, styling a section, or pasting in a snippet from another tool, this process is simple once you know where to click. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Squarespace page you want to edit. Once you're on the page, look to the top left corner and click Edit. This will put the page into editing mode and allow you to make changes to the layout and content. Now, move your cursor over the section where you want your custom code to appear. Squarespace will show you either an add block option or a plus insert point. Click that to open the block menu. From the block options, select Code. This is the block that allows you to paste in custom code directly onto the page. After adding the code block, click the edit icon, which usually looks like a pencil. This opens the code editor settings for that block. Next, look for the drop-down menu and set it to the correct code type. You can choose HTML, CSS, or Markdown depending on what you're trying to add. This part is important because selecting the right format helps Squarespace interpret your code properly. Once that's set, delete the default placeholder text inside the block. Then paste in your custom code. Take a moment to double check that everything looks correct and that there are no extra spaces or missing characters. After that, click outside the block to close the editor, then hit Save on the page to publish your changes. And that's it. Your custom code is now added to your Squarespace page. You can use this same process anytime you want to insert code, customize a layout, or embed content more precisely. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.